In the future, those who dare to imagine will take us on an exploration to a brand new world, filled with endless possibilities. And all the brilliant ideas that will transform our world are just starting to take shape in their imagination. To foster the explorers of tomorrow, DD Gene has developed the perfect companion to help them learn and grow. Introducing Karbo, the programming crab, built to help kids learn the fundamentals of programming as they play. This talented little crab is easy to use. With no need for smartphones or tablets, it's better for the eyes and perfect for early childhood education. Kids get a hands-on learning process as they learn to program with their hands. Just tape a combo and load it into Karbo. Karbo comes with all kinds of programming commands, teaching kids the fundamentals of sequences, conditions, loops, functions, algorithms, encouraging them to develop logical thinking skills. Karbo is inspired by early computers when punch cards were used to record and process commands. This method is visual and easy to understand for children as they start their programming education. Let's see if you can help Karbo win the trophy. Look, it's reading the programming commands. Karbo's internal camera is able to read and interpret the commands in real time. Karbo can execute multiple commands, and the light display visualizes which command it's executing. Done with playing on the map? Let Karbo roam around the house. Karbo can read your hand signal and follow independently, becoming your little assistant. Its sensors can even help to avoid obstacles. Karbo is ready for fun, bringing joy and laughter to your little ones. Invite their friends over and challenge their imagination. Besides moving commands, you can even program Karbo to sing and dance. Karbo can even recognize sound commands. Just clap your hands to tell it to turn. It even knows how to draw. All these ways to play will let your child experience the fun of programming as they explore new ways to learn. Let Karbo introduce them to the world of programming as they embark on the journey to a future filled with possibilities.